The 2024 new Xd1 mini drone is an impressive piece of technology packed with features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its 4K and 8K dual cameras, capturing stunning aerial footage has never been easier. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV capability ensures real-time transmission of high-quality images and videos, providing a seamless flying experience. One of the standout features of this drone is its optical flow localization system, which enhances stability and precision during flight, making it ideal for capturing smooth and steady footage. The inclusion of brushless motors further improves efficiency and durability, ensuring reliable performance over extended periods. In terms of design, the Xd1 mini drone is compact and portable, making it convenient to carry on outdoor adventures. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it suitable for pilots of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced flyers. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes and a range of over 500 meters, this drone offers ample opportunity to explore and capture breathtaking aerial shots. Overall, the 2024 new Xd1 mini drone sets a new standard for professional-grade quadcopters, delivering outstanding performance, versatility, and value for money.